What's up, guys? It's Ryan with the MXG channel. Wanted to show you guys a couple cool things around the studio. You guys haven't got to see much of the studio here at AOMC, so I'm going to try to keep you guys a little more familiar with what we have going on here as well. So today I've been over here and I've been shooting videos for the AOMC YouTube channel, which I'll link down below, on the new 2022 KTM luggage. So there's the Red Bull and there's the regular KTM. Here's the 2022 Renegade backpack that I'm mad, as you guys probably I don't know if you guys remember or not, but my backpack was actually stolen out of my truck the same day I got COVID, and I had to get a new backpack, and I got a GoPro one, and it's cool, but it's not on the same level as that Ogio Renegade for KTM, so might have to snag one of those too at some point. But what else is going on here? For the we've been shooting luggage videos on the gear bags as well. These are the Replica team gear bags. So there's a full line of luggage for 2022 in both of these schemes. This is the Red Bull KTM Racing Team. That's the regular KTM Racing Team. So Ogio makes all this stuff. It's awesome, but you can get it in either scheme with either logo. And this is the just a regular Replica team gear bag. It's just one large pocket here, orange liner, but it is on wheels, and it does have rails on the bottom and a handle on the top. You can roll it. Wheels are replaceable. Those are super cool. I've got some videos breaking this down in higher quality and more specifics over on the AOMC channel. Of course, got lights and stuff up here. If you really want the bee's knees of gear bags though, guys, it's the Ogio 9800. This is the bag that all bags aspire to be. The nicest gear bag you can get. These things are sweet. So these things are plastic on the bottom here, so no matter if you have them loaded down with stuff or not, they won't fall over. They also have the sled system, which is the structural load equalizing deck. Plastic deck goes all the way up to the top. It's got even nicer wheels. It's got different tons of different pockets and features, adjustable straps, really nice carry handles. Of course, all this KTM stuff comes with the WP, Motor X, Pankel, and the Wings of Life Spinal Cord Research Foundation logos on them. So this one's also available in the regular KTM Racing Team, which is the black and orange. And I can't decide which one I like more. What do you guys think? The orange and blue Red Bull or the black and orange KTM? There's also another option for this year. KTM always takes these nice bags and then gives you an option that doesn't scream KTM, and that's going to be this one, which I haven't even taken out of the package yet, but it's like an emerald green, and it's called Pure. And there's going to be a complete Pure line of luggage this year as well, guys. So you basically get the same quality, the same bag as this 9800, but it's just a different color scheme. So pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think about that. Some other stuff I got hanging up here behind the set. I'm really eyeballing this this Liat 9.5. I haven't put it back on the shelf yet because I thought about buying it for myself. I just haven't decided. Really still getting set up in here, guys. Did most of the amp build right here on this lift. And I know it seems like I've been working on this amp build for months, and I have, but got interrupted from getting COVID, and then got bronchitis, and then had races going on. So I've just been using this bike to test fit the amp products. I test fit the wheels. I've test fit a bunch of the blingy stuff up here on top of the forks and here. And I've got some more stuff to put on it. You can see there's an oil filler cap. I've got more stuff to put on it over here. I want to do this chain guide. There's an oil filter cover. Then a lot of stuff I have will really only work on the two-stroke stuff. So I'd like to try out this brake rotor hanger here. It's pretty cool. Rotor guard and caliper hanger. Besides that, thanks to Beta for sending us a signed Joe Wasson plate. He was the 2021 National Hare and Hound champion on the Beta, so pretty cool. Still trying to get this place decorated a little bit, but take you guys along the ride with me. Now, if you want to watch the videos that are produced in this studio, you need to go over to the Appalachian Off-Road MC YouTube channel, and you'll see me over there trying to have a little bit more production quality and stuff. So I'll put links to all that stuff down below. Trying to keep you guys updated. The only other piece of news I have for you is that no, the factory edition still has not arrived. We've got our Rockstar Huskies. We've got our 250 factory edition. The only special edition bike that hasn't came yet was the one I had my name on. And my latest allocation just says April, so it could have been April 1st or it could be April 30th. I don't know, but as soon as I get it, you guys will know. Well, the race team will know first because they're my crew, but you guys will know second. So appreciate all y'all, and I'll see you in the next video.